All right, welcome back. We are in section 3, part 3. We're going to be covering vocabulary and language learning using ChatGPT. So let's dive into, we'll go into a few different examples. This should be pretty fun. Okay, so let's say you want to learn a new language, and today we'll take Spanish as an example. So let's get some help here. Let's start at the basics. Let's say create some English, Spanish flashcards to help me learn Spanish. Okay, start with colors, numbers, and beginner phrases. Put English on one side of a chart and Spanish on the other. All right, let's see what we got. Boom, that looks pretty cool, right? So here I can learn these beginner phrases, beginner words. Hello, hola, goodbye, adios. Okay, how are you? All right, let's go take this a little step further and let's go into conversation. So we need to learn words. You can do as many words as you want to do. You can do advanced words, um, whatever you want to do. You can do conversations, phrases, advanced phrases. And let's do an example of conversation. Okay, let's say you're out and you want to order a hamburger. All right, so I want to order a hamburger in Spanish. Provide me a sample of a beginner conversation between me and a waitress who is taking my order. I also want to order some fries and a Coke with my hamburger. Okay, so here's the conversation. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Okay, so let's say you guys don't know how to produce any of these words, pero okay, so this is what you do. All right, this is our good friend Google Translate. And we're going to go take, let's just say this is a little more advanced. So you paste that in there. Spanish detected. Can I order a hamburger, please? So we know that's correct. Then if you want to listen to it, you'll press there, right? And it's going to let you know how to say that phrase or word in Spanish. So that's a good way where you can learn a new language very quickly. I'll show you one more before we leave to the next section. Okay, let's say make a new chart, but this time include French. So now if we want to learn multiple languages at a time, we can do that too. Okay, so these are just a few ways you can learn a new language. Obviously, you're going to need practice, and there are also some tips on how to learn a language. So you can use ChatGPT to ask, what are some advanced tips to be able to learn a new language within 3 to 6 months. That's very specific, right? Time frame. It's an ambitious goal. It's definitely possible. Okay, that's all I need to know. Is it possible? If it's possible, it can happen. Okay, so here's some good tips for you guys. And if your timeline, say a year, 2 years, whatever that is, or if you have, a certain amount of a certain language that you need to learn, you can use this to fine tune your learning. Like if you only want to use this in business, right? What are some Japanese words to use in business deals? And yeah, I don't know how to say that. Let's go and see if Google, our friend Google. I wonder if let's see. Let's try this. I've never tried this guy, so let's try this and see. Good job for today. That's cool. Oscari Escori Sabanista. I might be saying that incorrect, but that's good, right? That's so cool, man. So if you guys want to learn some basic words and different, I used to like learn how to say hello. How do you say hello in Chinese? I say Mandarin. Um, Japanese. What's another language that we can learn? Tagalog and let's say Portuguese. Portuguese. I spelled Tagalog wrong. But see, you can take all these and then get them translated to Google Translate. You'll be able to learn how to say at least hello. You say goodbye. You can say just basic stuff in those different languages. And that's always a good start. So hopefully you guys learned some good stuff in this section. Let's go on to the next part 4. We'll go over test preparation. We'll see you in the next one.